Lemon and blueberry bundt cake with lemon drizzle. Start by preheating the oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Grease a 22 cm bundt or fluted ring cake pan and dust evenly with plain flour. Place the butter, sugar and lemon rind in a large bowl of an electric mixer. Beat until pale and creamy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Add the self-raising flour, plain flour, sour cream and lemon juice in batches, stirring after each addition. Add the blueberries and stir to combine. Spoon the mixture into the prepared pan and smooth the surface. Pop in the oven and bake for 45 minutes or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. Set aside for 5 minutes before turning onto a wire rack to cool completely. To make the blueberry compote, place the blueberries, sugar and lemon juice in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Cook stirring for 5 minutes or until the blueberries begin to release their juices. To make the lemon drizzle, stir in enough lemon juice to the icing sugar in a small bowl until a runny paste forms. Spoon the drizzle over the cake and set aside to set. Serve the cake with the blueberry compote and top the cake with lemon zest and blueberries and serve with cream. Then cut into slices. This stunning lemon and blueberry cake is perfect for entertaining.